Failing to put big canoe in the water, take one.
Don't say that.
You know what's gonna happen.
Succeeding to put big canoe in the water.
Can you grab that green rope? Let it tilt.
Well, maybe got it down.
Yep.
So I am in the middle.
You're gonna be in the middle.
So sad. Now I can't talk to the duck. I want to talk to them.
Why don't you hop down?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, no.
What? Uh-oh. Get it quickly! Alright, now folks, I'm going to teach you how to tie a boat. So, got your thing that you want to like tie it around. You have like your hole, right? Take your rope, you bring it through, you take, and then you bring it around the rope. See? It's like around the rope, and then put it back through the hole. And then you like tighten it, and then we have ourselves a very nice and beautiful bowline. You can tell if it's a bowline because there's like this little like tongue thingy, and then the rope is like coming off the tongue. And then it's also attached to this thing. So if I throw it over the edge, then the whole canoe will tip over. I mean, it is like a gallon of oil.
It's gonna float because it's water. Throw it over. Let's see
Really?
what happens. Yeah, throw it over.
Okay! It floats! Oh.
We did it. We made it.
Canoed for
Canoed for
Cremees.
creemies.
See, I think this smells a little funny. How does it smell? Hey Zeke, how does my ice cream smell? Because it like, I don't know. To me, it's just like off. There's something off about it. Smell the ice cream.
Oh, you did. Look at that. Look how look.
Oh my god, I can't eat this.
You can't finish it? Yeah, don't make yourself sick.
Oh
Need
no,
some
I
help?
guess one of us will just
did.
have to eat it.
Yeah.